Hey motor lovers, welcome back to our channel. Now today's video is just an update of our previous video. If you watched it, you see how we made floor mats, customized floor mats, and we mentioned that they are for one of our regular clients who specializes in car sound system. Now this video is just for you guys to see their epic work. They have the greatest customized car sound system. These here are the pillows and customized mats that we made for them. They are for another car, as I mentioned. They also do car shows, so they redesign these cars and put epic sound systems in them and then take them to car shows. Anyways, that's all we wanted to show you for today. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe, and of course to hit that notification button so that you get notified of our next videos. And also remember to keep those conversations in the comment section going so that we know what you want to learn. But this video is not all about that, so just sit back and enjoy. Until next time, cheers.